Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to convert a personal Pinterest account to a business account. So first you need to go to pinterest.com and log in using your personal account credentials. Now here what you're going to do is you have to click on your profile picture at the top right corner, click the settings, or you can tap this arrow facing down and you should see this convert to business. Okay, so convert to a business account. What you're going to do is you have to click this one. Wait for a couple of seconds. It should reload and you will see this upgrade to a free business account. What you're going to do is just click this upgrade right here. And you can now describe your business right here. All you have to do is to click the category or the business type. So you will have your option. So let me choose content creator. Once done, then you have to click on the next button. So here you need to add your business name, your country, the region. You have to add it right here. But for the website, this one is optional. But I strongly suggest if you have your website like WordPress, Wix, or any other sites right here, all you have to do is to paste. And then once done, you can now tap on next. And then here, what are your business goals? You just have to click and select. And then here, what is the focus of your brand? You just have to click this arrow facing down. And then after that, tap on done. Wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. Now, Pinterest will ask you where would you like to start, so you can select from any, tap on next. And then basically, once done, you can now add information and fix your profile here. You can add and edit your information here. So just follow the instruction to verify your website. So that's it. You now have a business account with full access to Pinterest tools for creators, brands, and entrepreneurs. That's how easy it is to convert a personal Pinterest account to a business account. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.